Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with an LED logo, which appears in the grille. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Come around back, GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Also included is the convenience package, which is going to give you auto dimming mirrors and garage door openers. We've got our media display, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 36,795 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.